It's like a Mickey Mouse. Mickey. Hi. Okay. And what's your name? Ellie. Ellie. Okay, Ellie. So, is it the first time you come here? Oh yeah. So, you're a freshman. Is it the first year at school? Oh, so you haven't been here last semester. Why not? Why wasn't you here? I thought your teacher would ask you to come here. I thought. Because for many students, their teacher asked them to come here starting from the first semester, which means last year. Yeah, so I thought you would have been here last time for at least once. So your teacher didn't ask you to come here. Oh, alright, it's okay. So it's the first time. So, is your friend coming with you? I don't know. Do you need to call him or her? No? Alright, it's okay. Alright. So normally there will be, as you expected, there will be more people playing with us, okay? But it's okay, we don't have 2 people today, so alright. So okay, normally I will lead them to play a few games, maybe 2 to 3 games during the 2 hours, okay? So but I have a game we can play for 2, so we can play it together, okay? So okay, so we can start. So okay. Do you know a game called 水果牌? Pie, card. No. Okay, it's like normally there will be many people, and we will have a card like a poker card. Okay. So there are many numbers in the poker card, right? So every player will have a stack of poker. Okay, and we count 1, 2, 3, and we play together. Okay, and if like you and I have the same number, then I have to say your name first. Okay, so this is called 水果牌. And normally we will name ourselves as in fruits, like maybe you're apple, I'm orange. Well, I have to say orange apple first. And if you're slower, then you're the loser, and you have to take the card. Okay, so that's 水果牌. Okay. So today we're going to play some kind of game like this, a little bit similar like this, okay? 有点像, a little similar like this, but we don't play it. We don't play fruit. We play eggs, that, okay? So I'm going to introduce you a few kinds of eggs, okay? So it's like this. Okay. Just like when we were in junior high school, in our textbook, we learned something like how would you like your steak, right? So if you were asked how would you like your steak, what does it mean? What is a steak? Steak. Steak. 有听过吗? Have you ever heard steak? Okay, steak is 牛排. So when a waiter or waitress asks you how would you like your steak, what does it mean? Make a guess. Okay, so okay, I'm a waiter and you're in the restaurant, so I ask you, okay, miss, how would you like your steak? So what does it mean? Make a guess. 猜猜看，如果 when a waiter or waitress asks you this, what does it mean? Exactly, right. 几分熟就是几分熟 exactly. Okay, so when the waiter or waitress asks you, how would you like your steak, it means that how well do you like your steak? Okay, yeah. So today, if a waiter or waitress asks you, how would you like your egg, then what does it mean? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. So it's like, what kind of egg would you like? Okay, what kind of egg would you like? Okay, so if you go to a restaurant for brunch, do you know brunch? Brunch is, we have breakfast. Breakfast is breakfast. What was breakfast? 早餐. Then lunch. Then what about brunch? Yeah, 早午餐. So if you go to a Western restaurant, 就是西餐厅 and for brunch, 吃那个早午餐. Then the waiter and waitress may ask you, how would you like your egg? Because they serve all kinds of eggs, right? So that's what we are going to learn today, okay? So what kind of egg do we have? We have this, okay? So what is this? Based on the picture, what kind of egg it is? Yeah, exactly. And how do you read it? Hard? Yeah, hard-boiled egg. Okay, so what is hard? What is hard? So 都是很硬的 right? Hard. Okay, 那 what about boil? Boil. 就是煮 right? So hard-boiled. And it is a passive, 就是它是被动，它是被煮嘛，所以 it's hard-boiled egg. Okay, so 水煮蛋. And what about this? Yeah, not bad. Yeah, soft-boiled egg. Yeah, exactly. So what kind of egg is called soft-boiled egg in Chinese? So it's gooey and it's still leaking. Wow. So what kind of egg it is? How do you? Alright, so sometimes we call it maybe 温泉蛋 or 溏心蛋, right? So it's like in the middle it's still leaking, it's still gooey, and that's how we call it, right? And we still have this one. What is it called? Yeah, exactly. Sunny side up. Okay, so what is sunny side up? Yeah, 荷包蛋，而且是那个太阳蛋，that means a sunny side up. Okay, so it looks like the sun, right? So the side that looks like the sun should be on the top, right? So sunny side up. Okay, and we have another one. This one is called. Okay, over easy. Yeah, not bad. Over easy. So what does over easy mean? What kind of egg it is? Oh, it's a bad picture. Okay, take a look. It's a little bit similar to sunny side up, but it is double-sided. Double-sided. Okay, so what does it mean? It is double-sided. It's like when you fried it, you have to do it one side, and you have to flip over. So it's 双面煎, and double-sided, and 双面煎, over easy, right? And we have this one. Oh, this is. Yeah, exactly, 炒蛋. How do we say it? Yeah, wow, scrambled egg, yeah, scrambled egg, not bad, scrambled egg, yeah, fantastic, scrambled egg is 炒蛋, okay? So, the scrambled egg in Chinese and in maybe United States is a little bit different, okay? So in Chinese, sometimes we make scrambled egg with fried rice, 炒饭, right? And in Western society, they will use maybe 50% of egg and 50% of milk. And they mix it up and they fry it, so it would taste more juicy. 就他们的那个 scrambled egg, 他们吃起来比较实一点, so it's a little bit different, right? And this one is called poached egg. Okay, so poached egg is the kind of egg that we use when we eat maybe hot pot or instant noodles. Hot pot's 火锅, and instant noodles is 泡面. We just break the egg into the hot water and that is poached egg. Okay, so personally, I don't know how it is called, but personally I call it 泡面蛋或火锅蛋, right? It's poached egg, right? So we have another one is called Benedict. Yeah, Benedict egg. Okay, so Benedict egg basically is poached egg, but it's served with cheese, bacon, and bread. It's called Benedict. So and the Chinese name is sound translation, so 音译的. So if it is called Benedict, then how would you like to translate it? How would you like to call it? 你会怎么叫它？因为是音译的，所以你不知道怎么叫它 Benedict. So how would you name this kind of egg in Chinese? Right, it's okay. But on the menu, we can see it's called 班乃迪克蛋或班尼迪克蛋. So this is Benedict, right? So it's okay. So it's sound translation. So you can use any kind of name you want to call it. 就是可以自己去命名它没关系. Right. And what about this? It's like 欧姆蛋. Okay, so it's called omelette. Yeah, omelette. Omelette, 欧姆蛋. Okay. Okay, and this one we're not that familiar with. It's called frittata. Okay, frittata is a kind of egg that comes from France. Okay, which country is France? France 是哪个国家? France. It is a kind of egg comes from France. France. Okay, France is a country. So what country is called France? Yes, 法国。所以它是一个法国来的蛋，它叫做法式烘蛋 frittata. And in Chinese we have egg tower 蛋挞, right? But it is bigger than an egg tower. Okay, and egg tower is sweet, right? And this one frittata is salty. 它吃起来是咸的 it's salty, okay? So sometimes it comes with vegetables, it comes with bacon or mushrooms. That's why it's salty. 法式烘蛋. Okay, and we also have egg salad, and it's easy, right? What is egg salad? Yeah,蛋沙拉, it's easy. And the last one is, it's 茶叶蛋, right? Yeah, 茶叶蛋. Okay, so it's called tea egg. Okay, so these are the eggs that I want to introduce to you. Okay, so later on when we start to play the game, we have the eggs on the card. Okay, so as we said, we will have you will have a stack of cards, and I will also have a stack of cards. So we will count 1, 2, 3 and play it together. Okay, so if when we play the same cards, we have to say the card's name first, both in Chinese and in English. It's like if we all play hard-boiled egg together. Okay, so we have to be the faster one to say, oh, it's hard-boiled egg and it's 水煮蛋. Okay, and that is the winner. Okay. Okay, so before we start, we go it backward and check the names again. Okay, we make sure that we all memorize them. Okay. Okay, so tea egg, no problem. Right. Egg salad, no problem. Okay, and it's called frittata, and it's 法式烘蛋 frittata. And we have 欧姆蛋 is called it's called how do you say it? Yeah, omelette. Okay, omelette. And we have 班乃迪克蛋, so it's called Benedict egg. Okay, Benedict egg. Okay, so it is poached. Okay, poached egg. So it's 泡面蛋 or 中国蛋. And that's how I call it. Or if you have some other ways to call it, you can let me know. 如果你有其他方法称呼它的话，就跟我说. Right? Or personally, I call it 泡面蛋. Right? Right. And what about this? Yeah, scrambled. Okay, scrambled egg. So it's called 炒蛋. Okay, no problem. And it's over easy. 就是双面煎 and over easy. And it's sunny side up is about that. Okay, and it's soft boiled egg. Okay, it's 温泉蛋, 溏心蛋. And lastly, it's hard boiled egg, and it is 就是一般水煮蛋. Okay. Okay, so we can start, right? Alright. Okay, so later we will have a stack of cards, and maybe just let me see. Alright. Okay, so we both have a stack of cards, and we don't look at them. We count 1, 2, 3, and we play it together. Okay, we play it pretty fast until we have the same card, and we have to say the names in Chinese and English first. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay, so we count 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, no, so it's different, right? It's hard-boiled egg and mine is scrambled eggs, right? So it's different, so we keep playing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, over easy. Over easy. Oh, over easy. 双面针, okay, it's like that. So if I'm slower and you're faster, I have to take all the cards here, okay, and into my hands. We play until one of us has no card, then that'll be the winner. Okay? Okay, so that's how we're gonna do. Okay, so this is just a test, okay, so it's okay. So we do it again. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, over easy. Okay, yeah. So what does it mean? I have to take all the cards. Okay. Oh, and actually it's a little bit hard for me. Sometimes I cannot. I know the English name, but I will forget the Chinese name sometimes. Yeah, so 我没有放水哦，我是真的会忘记。Alright. When I play games, 我从来不放水。Okay. So I'm really serious. Right. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 哦，sunny side up. 太阳蛋。Thank you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. Hard-boiled egg. It's called hard-boiled egg. 汤匙不是汤匙。啊，我no. 啊，对，是的。哦，奇怪，这样不错吗？我刚以为是溏心蛋呢。脑袋有问题。好，我开始认真了。几位是都很认真。OK. Again. Oh, he almost finished. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, make it pretty fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's like heart attack. You have to do the very last time. 像玩心脏病一样 you have to do the very last time. Okay, so now it's this one. So you can see what you're going to say later, both in Chinese and English. Okay, until I flip it. Okay, 1, ready? Over easy. 双面针. Yes. Okay. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 很快哦。Hard-boiled eggs. So, alright. Okay. It's okay. I'm slower. Yeah. You win it fair and square. Okay. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 0. Oh, yes,